Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a Drawio file in Microsoft Visio. Let's begin. Microsoft Visio does not natively support the .drawio files. However, what we can do is to convert the Drawio file, which is the diagram that you have been creating or we wanted to save, to a format that Visio can open, such as the .vdx or Visio XML drawing. For example, I've been working with this diagram for quite some time and I wanted to save it later to have it edited on my Microsoft Visio. Now, again, Microsoft Visio doesn't support their Drawio files, so all I have to do is go to the file section and click the export button. All right. Now, the default for their Drawio files is normally .drawio or XML drawing. All right. In this case, what we're going to do is click the VSDX beta. If you click that, we will have the capability to save it so that Microsoft Visio can open it, and it's gonna be like a file compatible. And from here, you can save it to any of the following options. You can save it to your Google Drive or OneDrive, which is a lot better, right? Because Microsoft OneDrive and Visio is kind of like they have like a ecosystem in terms of integration. They work seamlessly, so you can choose that. But if you want to save it to your computer or local device, just click the download button. Now, the next thing is I want you to log in to your Microsoft account. All right. And then from here, go to the app section, click on it, and of course, search the Microsoft Visio. Once you found the Visio, all you have to do is sign in through your work or school account, and then you will be forwarded to your Microsoft Visio account. And from here, all I have to do is click the upload button so you can open the file. All right, so I'm going to do that right now. Or you can simply drag and drop the file to create a new document or upload one to get started. All right, so in my case, I'm going to be copying a file here. Click the upload button. All right. And from here, all I have to do while it's uploaded, once successful, click the open file. Takes a little while to load, but what will happen is you would be forwarded to the Visio dashboard. And from here, you see, you have now the option to edit the diagram to whatever comfortable file that you wanted. If you click that, you might want to click the edit in browser or edit in the app. Now, we have a separate video on how to edit the VSDX from Drawio going here in the separate video, but we're not gonna deal with that for now. But in all you have to do is choose the following format. Now let me tell you that before you can edit the file VXDX file in the desktop app, make sure you have admin privileges, because remember earlier, it requires a school or work account. So you make sure that you are part of an organization or a team so you'd be able to open it, because not everyone has the access to Microsoft Visio. If I click the edit in browser, I will be forwarded to the Visio dashboard we're in. All I have to do is you can do a lot of things here. All right. And once you're happy with it, all I have to do is click the share button to send it to your client, or if you're working with multiple team members. It's all up to you. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.